Hello traders, hello everyone, how are you doing? So actually in this video I'm going to be giving you the summary on how what you just need to start trading, how you every process that you just need over here in a summary form. But to start this video, make sure that you subscribe, turn on notification bell, and just be notified when I upload a video. Now let me just go to the MT4 that I have over here. So this is my MT4. This is a running trend, and of course I've opened, this is MT5, but I just recommend you use MT4. MT4 is very easy, and this is MT5, so I'm clocking this trend over here. So the reason I'm not showing you my live account is because these are running trends that are running there, but I will show you later because I always show you the profit I make every day. Now MT5, MT4, these are the platform for trading platform that you connect to the broker. Broker is a platform that you can deposit your money and all that, withdraw, but this is only for trading, where you can execute the trend, where you can place your trend, where you can just do your things, analyze the market chart as you can see there, and do your things. And to connect all these accounts is just very easy. To connect this account to your broker, for example, broker that we are using right now, we are using, that is FXPesa, the easiest platform that you can just use. The link in the description. So you just go to those dots on the left side, those mysteries there, and then you click manage account. After clicking manage account, this is how to connect your live account to MT5 or MT4 so that you can trade. Click that plus button and then search for EGM Securities Live, and then you click that. It will require you to put the login and password. The login is your account identity. Account identity will just be given if you register successfully, and you put the password. I will show you how you set the password, because you go to the live account and you just set that trading password, and then you just be having your password. So you place that password there and your account identity. But I just want you to remember one thing, especially when you will be registering, you have to account a contact number, personal details, and all this, and account reference use MT4, account type use escative, and make sure that you swipe in swap free. Make sure that you turn it on, and you create your password. The password you just be creating when you be logging to this FXPesa, when you be registering, that will be the portal password, the login password. But let's show you how you can create the trading password. Trading password, that is password you can use to log into MT4 to FXPesa. But it's very easy actually. If you don't know how to use MT4, you can use FXPesa trader platform. You can download it from the Play Store. You log into the same thing. So this is FXPesa trader platform. I downloaded it from the Play Store. So you can see you can also trade over here. You can trade commodities, stock, indices, the same way, easy way, using the MT4 platform right over here. This is not a FXPesa trader, okay? You can use it here, very easy. And if you just want to know the full video on how to use FXPesa, it's just easy. You can check it in the description below. I'll leave that link so that you can watch the full video. How now to do the full process, even depositing and withdrawing. But also I'll be showing you, because I'll be withdrawing, of course, I'll be showing you how money arrives to your wallet very easy. And remember that when you just join using my link and register and deposit $100, you'll be given free $15 for free. And you can see my account as $108.88. Actually this is 109.05. You can see the reason it is this, that total balance and total equity is because that is the closing balance. That means there's a running trend that has not been closed, and this is one of my smallest accounts that I have right here. And all you just have actually to set the password, as I said, go to where you see like your account having all this, your live account, and click this dot. You can see this dot that appears over here, this three dot, to set the trading password. The password you should be setting over here is the password you can just be using in the FXPesa trader platform, or the password that you're going to be using on MT4. But you'll be given your identity, your account identity. So make sure that you click those dots and the click trading, set trading password. Let's withdraw money over here so that you can see how everything is easy. So when I click withdraw, I click M-Pesa because I just want my money to come direct to the M-Pesa yeah, without going to the banks and all that. I just want it to go to the M-Pesa and directly, and you go click here. If you connected your account to FXPesa trader or MT4 that you are using to trade, you click that, and I'm going to withdraw 9.5, and they are giving me at a rate of 120, I think. And you put your now M-Pesa, and over here now the support person is the person that you use to log in, and you can see withdraw a success. So where the magic happens, of course, with the reason I love FXPesa is because money arrives to your M-Pesa immediately. Just look, I just want to, that is the exact time I withdrawn. Even 1 minute is not over, seconds, and then your money will just be arriving to your wallet, and boom, you can see you have received 1138, exactly the amount. Okay, what about that, the rest? So that is it. So it's just easy like that. And when I just go to my account, of course, that is MT4 right here, you see that is it will have shown me that I have already withdrawn my money. So it's just easy. Make sure that you use the link in the description below. Follow steps I've shown you, very easy. Use your own knowledge, of course, follow instruction. Verify your account by you need actually ID or maybe whatever you have to verify that those details that are on your phone, they are yours. Okay, so it's just easy like that. See you next time. Use my link in the description below. See you next time. Goodbye.